Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
It's that time again. It's about to become regular, man.
Sure enough.
We've teased you long enough. We're getting ready for some really cool stuff next week. We have a schedule change. But for right now, we're live. How you doing, my man?
Good to be back, man. Good to be back.
Yeah. We're going to, I want to say this. If you're live, there's not a ton of people live with us yet. We just got started, but put in the comments what you'd like us to look at in terms of charts. Of course, we're going to look at BTC. We're going to look at the Russell. We'll look at a couple standards, but if there's something specific you want, we're going to start a new thing. We're going to see if it catches on. As soon as you come on, give us a comment on what chart you'd like to look at. Again, something a little bit more exotic. We're going to look at BTC every day, but throw it in the charts and in the comments, rather, in the live chat, and we'll pick a lucky winner every day. And what we don't cover there, we'll cover in the Discord after this, because this is our live hangout with Des. Do you see the title says Des?
Wow. Desi Arnaz.
That wasn't me this time, man.
Wow.
Anyway, I'll fix that later.
I've
Ben
been called a
here.
lot
He
of
wants to see
things.
Hut.
This is a first.
Yeah. Anyway, how you doing today, Dex? You excited about these markets?
Doing great. Yeah, always, man. The market's always interesting.
What's the most interesting market on your mind right now, Dex?
The most interesting market on my mind right now is probably Bitcoin and the Dow. Bitcoin and the Dow. Because they're just moving all types of different today. And which chart is that one up? You have up?
I don't think I put the Dow futures in this little list we just made, believe it or not. The first thing you mentioned, I don't have.
Well, that's YM. YM.
The E-mini, right?
Yeah, the mini Dow. Yep, YM.
I got the continuous. Yeah, let's look at that. Let's look at that first. So this is the E-mini Dow Jones futures. This is what you want.
That's the daily chart. Yep.
You got
notice,
it. Go ahead, man.
Yeah, you see that, right? The market's trying desperately to put an end to this decline, but the market is, as you can see, under heavy distribution. And you could make an argument that today is just setting up for the next leg down. And if you look at the chart, it has been almost, regulated to a T. You have down day, then the next day up, then the next day down, then the next day up. It's just going up, down, up, down, up, down. And now it's kind of moving sideways. But you do see that right now, the bears have control of that market. And you want to know something funny? That corrective state on the algo charts says that we're in the Kumo cloud on the algo charts.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So the Dow is looking all types of interesting right now. It's on my radar. They're really trying to push it, but it is so far, blown that even today's rally is absolutely meaningless. It is still way below its price inflection point to even get the real money flowing into the market.
Right.
This is just a technical dead cat bounce. Market is wrecked. Same thing with the NASDAQ. Today's movement means nothing. Same thing with the Russell. Today's little up movement means nothing. The market is so wrecked right now. It's just setting itself up for the next leg down. Even in the crude oil just got roasted as well. And today's movement means absolutely nothing right now in that market either. And when you take a look at gold and silver, even gold is getting spanked today, down almost $20. I mean, what are you going to do? They're taking your safe havens away. I warned you they were going to take your safe havens away. And here's the really odd part. Coming into today's trading session, gold futures had a rally alert. Had a rally alert buy signal. Market got nowhere near hitting that price inflection point, and thus the market is pulled back. So it's just one of those things, man, where, the markets are trying to digest a lot of what's coming out of the Fed and what's going on with the economy. and there's just no place safe. There's nowhere to go. There's no safe haven. The market is just bewildered right now, and we're getting close to Christmas, and the market's just like saying it just wants to throw its hands up and give up. Really, really strange place we're in right now. Very strange
How
place.
the world feels right now, man.
Yeah, man.
It's
It's
like
true.
it's ready to throw in the towel. You see in the news, and it's like, man.
Yeah, the world doesn't want to play anymore.
I got Bitcoin up for you, and then Ben won. He's our first winner of all time. Ben O. We're gonna look at Hut in a minute, but first, we've got Bitcoin up, and it's right in the Kumo cloud. What's it doing on the algo charts?
Wouldn't you like to know? All right, so let me go ahead and pull that up on my end. Just give me a second to pull up the Bitcoin. I didn't have that one up yet, so it'll just be a few seconds.
Yeah, no problem. No
But the futures is down 520 as we speak. All right, and it's pulled all the way back. It actually briefly got into the 55,000 handle. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We actually got down into the 55 handle earlier this morning. Now we're at 56,470. Coming into today, as far as the algo charts are concerned with Bitcoin, and I like to take my marching orders from the futures. It's in the algo, and on the algo chart, it's in the Kumo cloud as well. It just is. It's just doing its thing, man. And I stand corrected. I said the Dow was in the Kumo cloud. That was a mistake. Is the Bitcoin I was looking at that's in the Kumo cloud. The Dow was not in the Kumo cloud on the algo charts. It's the Bitcoin that's in the algo chart on the algo chart. So yeah. So right now we are in the Kumo cloud on the Bitcoin, and you have your negative momentum is still pointing downward. So you got a lot of selling pressure right now, and you could make an argument that on an intraday level, the market did pulse wave. It did pulse wave. So you got a negative pulse wave going on in your Bitcoin. Shorts are loving life right now, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. I really don't. Yeah, they got it going on, man.
All right, we got our first chart winner ever. It's Ben, and he wants us to look at this. He's throwing us bones for entertainment. Oh, that's a 4 hour. Hold on, here's the 1 hour, or the daily rather.
Who is this?
This is Hut Mining. Hut.
Wow. So it's acting like a commodity today. Gold. It's a gold mining stock. I take it, right? And it's getting punched in the face, because if you take a look at what's happening in gold today, gold futures are down, like I said, almost $20, and I think that's dragging your gold mining shares down with it. And not only that, but you gapped down on the day. That's your only bright spot right now, and that if you are long that particular stock. Okay. You said BTC mining stock. Oh, okay. Well, same thing. Bitcoin is down 705 now. So Bitcoin is taking the Bitcoin mining stocks down with it as well. Yeah, man. And that stock just hit a new low. And no, we're not hitting a new low yet in Bitcoin futures, but we're getting close to it. We're hovering up just above it. The market's in free fall. This particular stock we're looking at is in free fall. But like I said, the only bright spot is you gapped down on that daily chart.
Sorry, I messed up your chart.
So because you gapped down, at some point, most of the time, sooner rather than later, you're going to get that technical bounce to close that gap. Doesn't mean the market won't still fall immediately afterwards. It's just saying that you got a technical bounce coming, usually in the near term. So I expect the technical bounce. Bitcoin could even rally, tonight into tomorrow. So just be ready for that, because tomorrow's Friday, Take Back Friday. Usually if the market's been down pretty decent during the week, you can expect that technical bounce on a Friday. So I'm actually expecting Bitcoin to pretty much do what it's doing now, but I expect a technical bounce between tonight and tomorrow because of Take Back Friday. Not a rally, just a little technical bounce. So maybe that'll help your stock.
Very cool. All right, here's what we're doing next. For everybody who didn't get their charts read, We're going to do it in Discord. I'm going to give you guys a link. Oh, man, I forgot to do that. Let me get that together. So I'm putting a link here. Our Discord is popping, and we're having more fun with it every day. So listen, if you're a PulseWaver, paid or free, you need to get into our Discord. Here's a link for those who want to jump in. And I posted a message about how to update if you are a premium member at PulseWave Trading. I posted a message on our website as part of your membership. There's a form where you can upgrade. Please try that. Let me know if it doesn't work. It seems to be, unfortunately for me, it seems to be a little buggy. So what will happen is you fill out that form, and then you'll see you have a new role assigned to your profile. It'll say premium on your profile in Discord. In the app Discord, not anywhere else. So if that doesn't happen, just send me a message in the Slack with your membership email, and I'll look you up and fix you up until I really fix this stupid thing.
Yeah. Work in progress.
Yeah, work in progress. Either it doesn't matter. You get in there, we'll hang out with you. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you guys in Discord. We're going to be looking at pre for our man Silverback Gorilla. And Head Magister Wartune wants to look at Fear, Sand, UOS, and HNT. So we'll be doing at least that. And somebody remind us if we don't get to it. All right, my man, you got any closing thoughts or things you want to talk about or let us know you want to talk about when we get into the Discord?
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm ready to talk about some of this. I'm still information gathering, but things are heating up with the very last Discord we did when we were talking about the mark of the beast. Some more information has come out, and it is scary.
I think I know the story you're talking about. Insane.
Well, I'll just give you guys a little teaser. You ready?
No, don't. No, in Discord. We'll see you guys there.
Yeah, come on. If you want to hear it, come to Discord. Trust me, you will not be ashamed.
Dex told me this job. Dex told me this is my job. Make Discord more interesting. So don't say anything, Dex.
All right, I won't say
talk
nothing.
about it in Discord. All right, everybody. It's been great. It's going to get even better. Make sure you click that link for Discord. We'll see you in there momentarily. All right, we're out, man. Here we go.